Is there a ticking time bomb set for the end of the world? Perhaps the final curtain call of our existence is not as far away as we might think. Or could it be that the end of the world is merely a new beginning, a reset button for the cosmos? These are the questions that have haunted philosophers, scientists, and common men alike for centuries. The concept of the end of the world is as old as civilization itself. Ancient cultures, such as the Mayans and Egyptians, had their own interpretations of the apocalypse, often tying it to celestial events or the whims of gods. They viewed the world as a cycle, with each end ushering in a new beginning. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, where fear of the apocalypse was rampant. Prophecies of fire and brimstone, of divine judgment, dominated the public's imagination. This paranoia was fueled by real-world events such as plagues and wars, which people interpreted as signs of the impending doom. As we moved into the Enlightenment period, the focus shifted from divine judgment to human actions. Philosophers and thinkers began to ponder the idea that humanity could be its own worst enemy. This line of thought has persisted into the modern age, with concerns about nuclear war, environmental destruction, and more recently, artificial intelligence. In the late 20th century, the idea of the end of the world took a more cosmic turn. Scientists began to consider threats from outer space, such as asteroid impacts or gamma-ray bursts from distant stars. At the same time, they also contemplated the eventual death of our own sun and what that would mean for life on Earth. Now, in the 21st century, the conversation has become more nuanced. We're beginning to understand that the end of the world might not be a singular event, but rather a slow decline or a series of smaller catastrophes. Climate change, resource depletion, and biodiversity loss are just a few of the issues that could gradually push our planet to the brink. So, what have we learned? The concept of the end of the world has evolved over time, shaped by cultural, philosophical, and scientific understanding. From ancient prophecies to modern scientific predictions, the apocalypse has always been a reflection of our deepest fears and greatest hopes. Whether it's a divine judgment, a man-made disaster, a cosmic event, or a slow decline, the end of the world is a concept that continues to fascinate and terrify us. But perhaps in contemplating our end, we can find the motivation to change our present, to make the world a better place for as long as we're here. Remember, the end is just a new beginning. After all, as the philosopher Nietzsche once said, one must still have chaos in oneself to give birth to a dancing star. So let's keep dancing for as long as the music plays. Until the next time, keep pondering the mysteries of our existence.